Imagine a huge factory busting with activity where cutting-edge technology meets excellent craftsmanship. This is where the Toyota RAV4 is born. It is a marvel of modern engineering that has the perfect blend of performance, reliability, and innovation. Every RAV4 represents a story of ideas being transformed into reality, where each stage in the manufacturing process reflects human creativity and a relentless pursuit of excellence. Once the design of the car is finalized, the blueprints are sent to the manufacturing plant, an industrial complex where precision and speed work together seamlessly. From this point, the journey of transforming a concept into reality begins. The factory is a world of its own, where 600 robots place 4,000 welds on a single car. This brings us to the first step in the creation of the RAV4, the creation of the chassis, also known as the backbone of the car. It is a critical component and provides the structural integrity for the car to handle various driving conditions. This process begins with high-strength steel sheets being carefully cut and shaped into specific components, according to the blueprints, to be welded together to form the frame. The welding process includes both manual and automatic processes by combining the speed of robots with the skill of humans. This is done to ensure that each weld is perfect, because even the smallest imperfection can compromise the safety and performance of the car. Once the chassis is completed, the engine and transmission of the car are installed. Toyota offers a range of engine options for the RAV4, each tailored to meet the needs of different drivers. Among the popular choices are the 2 and 2.5-liter gasoline inline-4 engines. Both of these are known for their amazing balance of power and fuel efficiency. Particularly, the 2.5 is favored by those looking for a more vibrant driving experience. In some markets, the 2-liter diesel engine provides better torque along with fuel efficiency, which makes them ideal for towing or hauling. For eco-conscious drivers, Toyota also offers a hybrid variant of the RAV4, which combines a gasoline engine with an electric motor. These engines not only provide better fuel efficiency, but also reduce emissions. The engines are assembled carefully with each component carefully inspected and put into its right place. Every bolt in the engine is tightened using a standard torque gun to ensure that every connection allows for flawless operation. The transmission is then attached to the engine. This is responsible for translating all the engine's power to the vehicle's movement. This allows the driver to experience the smooth acceleration and quick response that the RAV4 is famous for. Similar to the engine, there are a variety of transmissions offered, ranging from traditional automatics to continuously variable transmissions. As the RAV4 continues down the assembly line, it reaches the stage where the body begins to take shape. Sheets of metal are stamped using massive stamping machines, which press them into the precise shapes required for the vehicle's panels. This process is a feat of engineering in and of itself, as the machines exert thousands of tons of pressure to shape the sheet metal into the complex curves that define the RAV4 silhouette. These panels are then welded together to form the skeletal structure of the car. The body is then carefully inspected to make sure it meets Toyota's standards. Next up is the comfortable interior that the RAV4 is known for. The creation of this process requires careful attention to each and every small detail. Workers start by installing the major components, such as the carpets, dashboards, seats, and others, to transform the empty shell into a welcoming and functional interior. Every element is crafted while keeping the customers in mind, including the ergonomic seats, the accessible placement of controls, to the premium materials used within. The spacious interior offers immense legroom and headroom for both the front and back passengers. Similarly, the massive cargo area makes it easy to carry anything, whether it's luggage, groceries, or sports gear. Once everything is complete, the interior is carefully inspected. The seats are checked for uniform stitching, the dashboard is checked to make sure everything is perfectly aligned, and finally, the rearview mirror is checked to ensure that it works as good as it looks. Now, the RAV4 is starting to look like a fully complete vehicle, except for the color. The car continues on its journey to the paint shop, where the bare sheet metal will be transformed into a masterpiece. The painting process includes many steps, such as putting several layers of primer, base coat, and clear coat. Each layer is applied with precision to ensure there is no overlap, and then it is heat treated, which ensures a long-lasting finish and shine. The paint shop is the most technologically advanced part of the whole factory, where robots apply the paint in a controlled environment, free from dust and other contaminants. This results in a flawless finish that not only looks stunning, but also protects the vehicle. Once the paint is dried, it is inspected for any imperfections within the multiple layers, and then the RAV4 receives its final touches. The wheels and tires are attached and then carefully balanced to ensure a smooth ride and chosen to match the car's performance characteristics. Next, the headlights and taillights are installed, which are more than just functional elements, as they also contribute to the overall aesthetic of the car. Towards the end, the car undergoes a series of rigorous quality checks. Toyota's commitment to safety in every vehicle, and obviously the RAV4 is no exception. Each RAV4 is equipped with a comprehensive set of safety features, including anti-lock brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, airbags, and multiple sensors for blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and lane departure warning. All of these features are carefully tested to ensure they function as intended and provide the drivers and passengers with peace of mind on every journey. Finally, after passing all inspections and tests, the RAV4 is ready to leave the factory. As it rolls off the assembly line, it becomes more than just a vehicle. Each RAV4 carries the legacy of Toyota's commitment to innovation and excellence with it. The same legacy that has made the RAV4 one of the best-selling SUVs in the world.